Hey everyone, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today Chef Dom's going to show you how to make roasted bell peppers. This was my grandmother's recipe. Alright, let's get cooking.
Alright, today we're going to do some roasted red peppers, bell peppers, sweet peppers. My grandmother used to do this all the time in New York, and the whole entire building, you could smell it. Even on the third floor.
I know, right?
When she made roasted peppers.
I love these peppers.
We put them on sandwiches or just eat them just like that. That's how good they were.
And on Antipasto. Oh,
Antipasto. And also too, we're gonna do. My grandmother used to make salami and provolone sandwiches for us, with Genoa salami, and put the peppers right on top of that.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do today.
I'm ready.
All right, we're just gonna coat these with some olive oil, and then we'll season them with salt and pepper.
Real simple, right? I mean,
yeah, it's easy. You know, it's fast, it's easy. We always ate good at Grandma's.
Oh yeah, we did.
And and the eggplants, the pickled eggplants.
Oh yeah, we have that recipe. Grandma's eggplant salad.
Yeah, we'll salt these a little bit. Pepper.
Nice.
I can't fit my hand in the bottom of that bowl anymore.
Gotta get bigger bowls. I love red bell pepper.
Especially roasted.
Yeah.
Right. All right, these are ready to go on the grill.
You got the peps ready.
All right, we're getting ready to put these on the grill.
Nice and hot. Out here in this 100-degree weather in Texas.
It's not that hot.
No, it's not as hot
Today.
as it usually was.
All right, we're gonna close the lid for a little bit.
All right. All right.
A couple of these are just about there, and this one is ready.
They look great.
Oh, what a beautiful smell, man. Yes.
Oh, look at that.
Now we're gonna cover these up, take them inside. You wanna cover them up because you want them to steam a little bit, so the skin will come off real easy.
Perfecto.
All right, we're gonna take our skin off here.
Yeah. We can stop peeling them.
Or more than that.
Yeah.
I mean, my hands are used to the heat.
I'm gonna get rid of those seeds in the middle there.
You got a lot of excess water too. These babies are still hot, man.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, let me see that pepper. Beautiful.
I'm gonna cut our peppers in strips down. All right, we got our peppers
Good to go.
cut up. Just getting some of the water off here. Of course, if you're not careful,
Yeah.
the oil's too hot, it'll flame up.
Yeah, that's true.
And I might burn the rest of my hair off from my head.
That's how you lost it the first time, right?
Yeah. Chop some garlic. Get the oil hot. Fry him for about, I don't know, just a few minutes.
Yeah. All right.
Maybe not even.
How many cloves you gonna use about?
About 3 or 4. Get some olive oil in here going. My grandmother used to make it a little oily, which was unbelievable because you used to soak the Italian bread in oil in there.
Yeah, you want a lot of oil in there. Garlic's frying. I smell it already.
All right, we're going to put the peppers in there now. You might need a little more salt. I really don't know how much salt I just put in there, so maybe
About a quarter spoon.
quarter tablespoon. If it needs more, you add more to it.
Right.
That's how I learned to cook.
Yeah, everyone's.
No recipes. I never followed a recipe in my life.
It smells wonderful.
More. Probably want to fry these for about 5 minutes altogether, you know. Okay, these are ready. What a smell, my God.
Man.
I'm gonna just slide this on the plate.
Wonderful.
Oh, baby.
All right, now it's got a nice focaccia bread here. We're gonna make a nice salami and cheese sandwich with these beautiful red peppers.
All right, we're gonna make a salami and provolone sandwich. Beautiful Genoa salami we got here.
Yeah. This is aged provolone.
We're gonna put this in the broiler, and you want to keep an eye on it, you know, just until it's a little toasted and the cheese is melted. Then we'll add our peppers to the sandwich.
Put some of those peppers on there. Oh man, look at that. It's beautiful. Oh yeah.
All right, now we're gonna put some peppers on here. And that's gonna be good.
Nice. All right.
Put that top on. Whack this baby up.
Oh, beautiful. Look at that thing.
All right, let's eat. Enough.
All right. Let's eat. All right. We already chowed down on these roasted peppers. We made a little
Pepper sandwich.
We also made a little antipasto with some salami and provolone. It really, these roasted peppers, they really complement an antipasto. They're wonderful. Anyway, let's try out this sandwich. Oh my God.
Very good.
The garlic and the olive oil really enhances the flavor of these roasted peppers. Very easy to make. Grandma, thank you for the recipe.
Thanks, Granny.
Anyway,
And Mom.
yeah, and Mom. Can't forget Mom. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. We appreciate the subscribers. If you like the video, hit that like button and also hit that notification button because it'll let you know when a new video is coming out. Damn fly. Anyway, take
Thank
care.
you.
We'll see you guys next time.
Take care, guys.